it's Morgan, and for today's video, I've partnered with Artistry to bring to you guys a bold makeup look that is perfect for a girls' night out, because I think we can all agree we are all in need of an occasional girls' night out. So this is a fun but bold makeup look that all of us can easily achieve, so let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'm taking the Illuminating CC Cream from the Ideal Radiance line, and I'm gonna be using this as a base for our makeup. Now, you never know how long your girls' night out is gonna last, but you wanna know your makeup is going to last the entire night. So this is going to act as something that's gonna prolong our makeup. Now, as you could probably tell, this CC cream makes my skin look flawless, and honestly, on days where I'm feeling a little lazy, I'll just use this on my skin on its own because it does an excellent job of evening out my skin tone and protecting it from the sun. I can rub it in with my fingers and be good to go for the rest of the day. But of course, for this video, I am using this as my primer, so let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now, whenever I use a primer or base on my skin, I like to give it a moment to set before I apply anything on top of it. So in the meantime, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with the Automatic Eyebrow Pencil. Now, since this look features such a bold lip, it's very important to frame the eyes by filling in the brows. Now, one thing that I really like about this Automatic Eyebrow Pencil in particular is the point of this. Because it has such a precise applicator, it makes it a lot easier for me to fill in my eyebrows exactly how I want to. Now, for my eyes, as well as later on my cheeks, I'm gonna be using the Illuminating Light Up Compact. Now, of course, this is part of the Artistry Studio collection, so you get the eye-catching limited edition packaging, which, hello, I think we all can agree, we love a good package, but this is also functional because you ever find yourself out and about in a poorly lit atmosphere on your girls' night out, you could just turn on the lights of your compact and check yourself out. Now, of course, besides the packaging, I'm also in love with the powders inside because these are super shimmery, they're ultra pigmented, they go onto your skin beautifully and evenly, and again, I can use these on both my eyes and my cheeks. The color I'm gonna use first from this compact is this color down here in the bottom corner, and just use this as a wash of color on my lids. Now, I'm gonna keep the eye look very simple since, again, we are gonna rock that bold lip on our girls' night out. So I'm gonna take this shimmery white color up here and apply it to the inner tear ducts of my eyes just to brighten my overall look. Now, I'm gonna use the Length and Definition mascara and apply this to my lashes. And the one thing that I really like about this mascara in particular is it does a really good job of coating every single eyelash so you get a very defined, volumized, and lengthened type of look. And to show you guys what I'm talking about, this is only one coat of the mascara, and obviously I don't have any mascara on this eye, which is why it looks bald, but you can see what a big difference just one coat makes. Now, of course, I'm gonna apply two because I'm an overachiever and I like my lashes to look like it. Now that we've finished our eye makeup, we can move on to the rest of our face makeup. And for my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Hydra V Sheer Weightless Foundation. Now, this is one of my favorite Artistry makeup products, and this is my go-to foundation when I'm looking for something that's more natural, feels lightweight, but is going to make my skin look absolutely perfect. For this look, I want my cheeks to match my lips kind of perfectly, but also not distract too much from my bold lip look. So actually what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be taking the lipstick that I'm later gonna be using on my lips. This is the Artistry Signature Color Endearing Rose, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this to the back of my hand. Using the back of my hand as a mixing palette, I'm gonna be taking the foundation I just applied to my skin and adding a couple drops to this. When I mix it together and apply it to my cheeks with a sponge, it's going to not only create a color that complements my lips, but it's kind of like me mixing up my own custom color. I love doing this because I feel like I'm really making the look my own. And again, this is another reason why I love this Hydra V foundation, is because it is so versatile. Now, as I'm sure you've seen on social media, you cannot go anywhere without having a beautiful, glamorous glow to your cheeks. So I'm gonna be going back to my Illuminating Light Up Compact, and I'm gonna be using this middle shade here and just applying that to the tops of my cheeks, as well as on the tip of my nose. Now it is time for the moment we've all been waiting for, which is applying our bold lip. First, I'm gonna take the Automatic Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Spiced Wine and apply this to the edges of my lips. And I'm also gonna take the brush on the other end of this pencil and use that to feather it in towards the center of my lips. And then finally, I'm gonna top everything off with the Artistry Signature Color in the shade Daring Red, which is of course the color that we used on our cheeks. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look and have an amazing girls' night out, and I will see you guys in the next Artistry video. Bye guys!